Yo, what's going on everybody? This is Pokemonster with a brand new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Nintendo 64 on your PC. So, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is head over to this website. It's called pj64-emu.com. Click on the download here. Save that to your desktop. So let's wait for that to download. So once it's download, head over to your desktop. Open the setup project 64. You'll get something like this. Just hit next. Just hit next. And make sure you create a desktop icon. So hit next. So once it's like this, you want to launch the game. I mean, not the game, the emulator. So you will get something like this. Pick your language. The game directory is where you have your ROMs. So for example, I have my ROMs right here. So I want to look for that file. So go here, go to my desktop, go to N64. So my ROMs can load from there. You guys be wondering once where do I get my the games, the ROMs, 64 ROMs. You have to go Google search. I can't really tell you how to get them. Remember, you have to own the games, the physical copy of the game, to download them. If you download games that you don't own, it's illegal. So keep that in mind. So you want to hit this one, and just press OK. And those people are wondering now, oh, how do I connect my controller to play on the Emulator 64? So connect your controller right now on your PC. Go to Options. Go to Input Settings. So you can see it only says keyboard. So you want to hit this one, the D-pad. Now grab your controller and just follow instructions. Up. So make sure it's highlighted like that. So up, down, left, right. As you can see, the wireless controller and keyboards are up here. So recognize my controller already. So just keep following the instructions once you're done. For now, I'm going to skip these and just use these. Okay, once you have all set up, when I hit that apply, press OK. I'm gonna go to options, turn my volume down because it's gonna be really loud. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it because of the purpose of the video. So once you have that, you want to hit the game you want to play. So double click on that. As you can see, it just loaded up really good. I'll show you that actually is working. As you can see, it's working really good. It's loading up smoothly. So if you like this video, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. I also have more videos how to install different emulators, so make sure to check it out. And I'll catch you guys at the next video. Take care.